Welcome to our channel. Opting out of app background refresh on a state tax portal helps conserve battery life and data usage on your mobile device. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app. Step 2. For iOS users, scroll down and tap General, then select Background App Refresh. For Android users, navigate to Apps or Application Manager. Step 3. Find your state tax portal app in the list of installed applications. Step 4. Tap on the app name to access its specific settings. Step 5. Toggle off Background App Refresh to prevent the app from updating content when you're not actively using it. Step 6. For Android, look for Background Data or Data Usage settings and restrict background activity. Step 7. Consider adjusting notification settings as well to prevent unnecessary alerts that might trigger background activity. Step 8. Open the tax portal app and verify that it still functions properly for your needs when you actively use it, even with background refresh disabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.